Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to solve question number 4.9. A nut has been tightened by a force of 200 Newton using 10 centimeter long spanner. What length of a spanner is required to loosen the same nut with 150 Newton force? Let's solve this. F1 is given 200 Newton, length of the arm L1 is equal to 10 centimeter, which is equal to 10 over 100 meter, and this is given F2 of the second spanner force 150 Newton, and L2 we have to find. We know from the principle of moments F1 L1 is equal to F2 L2. F1 L1 over F2 is equal to L2. Now putting values, F1 200 into L 10 over 100 over 150 is equal to L2. Cancel this with this, this with this, and this with this. This is equal to 2 over 15 meter, which is equal to 0.1333 meter, and this is equal to 13.33 centimeter by multiplying it with 100. Now we have the next part. Question 4.10. A block of mass 10 kg is suspended at a distance of 12 cm from the center of a uniform bar 1 meter long. What force is required to balance it at its center of gravity by applying the force at the other end of the bar? I draw this figure. Here is the O, origin or center of the gravity. Here this is the weight or mass 10 kg and is equal to mg is equal to w. This distance is 50 centimeter, and what force we apply at this end that it become balanced? Let's solve it. (20 centimeter) is equal to L1. WL1 20 centimeter is equal to 20 over 100, which is equal to 2 over 10 equal to 0.2 meter. Now L2 is equal to 50 centimeter, which is equal to 50 over 100 meter is equal to 5 over 10 is equal to 0.5 meter. We know moments acting on a body in clockwise are equal to moments acting anti-clockwise. that is W into L1 is equal to F into L2. This implies W into L1 over L2 is equal to F, the required force. Now putting the values, W is equal to mg, 10 kg is equal to W is equal to mg is equal to 10 into 10 is equal to 100 Newton. 100 into 0.5 0.2 over 0.5. This is equal to 100 multiplied by 0.2 is equal to divided by 0.5 is equal to 40 Newton. We require the force F is equal to 40 Newton to balance the uniform rod at the center of gravitation. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. If you have any question in your mind, please write in the comment box. Thank you.